Alright guys, some of our National Senior Welding Competition prizes are coming in. Let's check out what we got. So we got Pipeliners Cloud, we got CMR Fabricators, Weld Magician, Lincoln Electric, Alltech sent some hats, Lincoln Electric again, Miller gloves, Miller helmets, we got another Lincoln Electric welding machine. Miller is still sending their welding machines, so they are on the way. We got CMR Fabrication welding hood, we got TIG rigs right here, Lincoln TIG rigs, we got lenses. Sawyer Manufacturing has sent a big stub bucket full of wedges and other prizes as well, and fitting equipment. Then we got some more stickers, welding helmets here, hats, JK Welding, apparel and swag, some more Lincoln bags, Outlaw Leather helmets and hoods. So there's a ton more coming still in the mail. This is what we have so far. And then also stay tuned, this is gonna be pretty awesome for our competition as well. So this is our National Senior Welding Competition. If you are coming to our competition and you are competing as a senior, we need your transcript. So go ahead and email your transcript to kwi@kwi.us. We would love to have those in advance just so we can make sure that everybody is squared away. But if you aren't able to email it to us, you can bring it that day. But please try and email it to kwi@kwi.us. Stay tuned, we'll have some more videos for a lot more prizes that are coming in the mail. This is what we have so far and it's looking pretty good. Stay tuned.